Tired of your pan that scratches and sticks? It's so old and worn you're afraid to cook in it. Well, it's time to upgrade.
Introducing the Hammered Collection from Gotham Steel, one of America's best-selling cookware brands. Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with my new copper-style designer pan that's guaranteed to beautify your kitchen like never before. And look, it still has the super durable ultra non-stick surface. Eggs stick to other pans, but with mine they slide right out. Incredible! How about 100 times in the same pan? No oil or butter ever needed. Amazing! Plus, the new Cool Touch solid cast handle makes it safe and easy to cook even the hottest dishes. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees, so bake this beautiful chicken pot pie and serve it straight from the pan. Or warm apple pie, just like Grandma used to make. Any recipe looks great in this pan, and then it wipes clean with ease. Plus, metal won't scratch it, so beat fluffy egg whites right in the pan for a gourmet souffle that slips right out and a pan that looks just like new. Or make homemade crepes with ease because nothing sticks. Fill them, then slide them right onto the plate. Even melted caramel candies won't stick to this pan. And look, they make a perfect topping. The Hammered Collection from Gotham Steel, one of America's best-selling cookware brands.